What the heck is going on, guys? Welcome to your 9th computer networking tutorial, and in this video I want to talk to you guys about NICs. N-I-C, no, not people named Nick or anything like that. I want to talk to you guys about network interface cards. Now, first of all, what the heck is a network interface card? Well, it's the part of your computer that allows you to connect to the internet. So basically, if you're wondering, alright, can any computer you buy from a pawn shop or anything connect to the internet? Well, no. Every computer can't connect to the internet. In order to do so, it needs one of these things, a network interface card. So what the heck is this other than, it's the part of the computer that allows you to connect to the internet? Well, basically, what it does is part of this, and this would be on this one, this part right here is going to connect to your computer, and by your computer I mean your motherboard. Another part of it, on this one, it's this part right here, this little outlet, is going to connect to an Ethernet cable, and they have different network interface cards, but this is a Ethernet one. It's going to connect to some kind of communications media and allow you to connect to a network. So basically, remember, a network interface card is made up of kind of two halves. One that connects to your computer and one that connects to a communications media. In this case, this is an Ethernet plug. Now in this example right here, we see a computer, and this is actually your motherboard, this big blue thing that says gigabyte on it. And where your network interface card would go on a desktop is right here. There are a bunch of little slots on your motherboard, and your network interface card would plug into one of those, and that would leave the Ethernet plug, or whatever, maybe it's a transmitter of some sort. It would leave it exposed on the outside so you can plug Ethernet cords into it, or it would be able to accept Wi-Fi. So this is where they go. If you're looking in the inside of your computer, you can easily identify it because it's a big long thing that looks like this, and it's going to be plugged into one of the slots on your motherboard. Now, again, if you guys don't even know what Ethernet is, this is what I mean by Ethernet. It pretty much looks like a really thick telephone wire, and it plugs into a plug that looks like pretty much a big telephone outlet. So that's what I'm talking about when I say Ethernet, and I want to stress that because the Ethernet port or the Ethernet card is not the only card that you can have. You can also have a Wi-Fi card, and this is a desktop Wi-Fi card. Of course, if you guys are like, alright, my laptop connects to Wi-Fi, but it certainly doesn't have one of these big antennas right here. Well, for laptops, they typically don't have these anymore. This is just for a desktop to get a better connection. But I just want to give you guys this quick example because I want to stress that yes, there are indeed Ethernet network interface cards, and there are also wireless internet, or excuse me, wow. Once you talk for like 2,000 tutorials, sometimes you mess up your words. There are wireless network interface cards, and as we go on these tutorials, we're going to be learning a little bit more about different types of network interface cards and how some are faster than others and the benefits of some over others, and we'll be talking about that more in detail later on. But for now, let me go ahead and show you guys something really cool. If you're on Windows right now, you can go ahead and click the Start button, and whenever it says Search button right here, if you type devmgmt.msc, what this is going to do is this is pretty much the program that opens your device manager. So this is pretty much your device management system. Just go ahead and press enter, and this device manager is going to pop up. Now if you're like, what the crap is all this stuff? Well, what this is pretty much all of the pieces of your computer, from your keyboard to your motherboard to your memory, your processor. And if you look under the section that says network adapters, you might see one option if you have your if you didn't like buy a network interface card separately. If you have one option, that means that you have it already built into your motherboard, which typically most desktops do nowadays, most motherboards at least. And the one I have right now is a Realtek PCIe GBE family controller. It's just a long name, and that's what network interface card I have. So if you're bored and you want to check out your network interface card and you're too lazy to actually look behind your desktop like I am, then this is how you do it. And also, if you ever need yours replaced or it breaks or anything, and the guys wants to know, I don't know, maybe at the computer repair shop, what kind is compatible with your motherboard, you can just look in here and you can see it. So again, whenever we're troubleshooting and we can't connect to the internet, this is one of the places we go and make sure that everything is working out correctly. But for now, I just wanted to show it to you guys in case you were interested. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.